Hey guys, what's up? Today's gonna be about Yep, that's right guys. Today's gonna be about Python. Today's specifically about if statements. This is our 5th episode. We've done 4 other episodes. If you haven't seen them yet, you should go check them out. And yeah, so to get started for this if statement lesson, we will need to get into a new file again, like always, and then we can start. So we can start with setting a variable. So you can just set up whatever variable you want. I'm just gonna call it u, and then you can just write whatever you want. Actually, no, I gotta do exactly how many is u, so that's actually a bad idea. I'm gonna 4 y's. For some reason, I just feel like doing that. And then you can just do like make it some variable like hi. Okay, so we can start with that. And then now we can actually write the if statements. And we can start with so we start always with if. And then we can use a variable and say if y. And then we do double equals hi. And then we can also do this. So then you do this. Print hi. So I mean, like, this is not usually what you would do, but I mean, like, if you want to only like make like as long only if it's hi, then you could do this. But like, I don't think you would do that. Like, usually if statements for like other things. And we can see what happens. And then we got hi out of it because it was if the variable name equals hi, then print hi, and we did make it equal hi, so it worked. So now we can actually make more better things out of it. So yeah, let's do that. So guys, now I want to show you guys 2 more things for today. One is elif. I'll show you guys what the elif does. So if we done if we do if again, then we just start a new if statement. It would just not be like about that. But if we do elif over here, elif y equals h, print oh yeah, I forgot to put the quotes around it. This print hello. Let's make that barcode. Okay, and then we can run it, see what happens. But before actually when we want to run it, we have to take out the I to see if it will if the H one will actually work. So let's see if it works. And guys, we got hello out of it. And if you guys follow my exact code on my second one, I actually didn't have double equals, so that's why it might have not worked. But yeah, we got hello. So I'm gonna be showing you guys one more thing in this episode. Let's get to it. So guys, the last thing is else. So it's not just gonna be like if, elif, and then else y. It's not gonna show the y equals h part. If you just do else, you just do this. Else, and you just go there. And you can just do that, and then like for everything else is else. Like we can just say print what's up. And now, because of else, well, we will print what's up. So we can just change it to whatever we want, like this. Okay? And then, now, let's try it. And it will end up saying what's up. And yeah, so these are the 3 things I want to show you. And it will end up saying what's up. And yeah, so these are the 3 things I want to show you. So, okay guys, I know this was a small episode, and because this is going to be actually what I have for today, so yeah, I guess then I'll see you guys next time. Bye.